Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be decorating around the house with some of my latest home finds that I shared in my previous home decor haul. I'll link that video for you to check out if you missed it or if you're new here. I still have some of those items here on the table and I need to get this stuff put away so we can use this table again. I also have some new outdoor lights that I am super excited about from Ollny, who's kindly sponsoring today's video. When it starts to warm up outside, I tend to spend a lot of time on the patio because it's just so peaceful. I love having my meals on the patio, especially at night when we're having date night at home. And I really needed to get some new lights because the previous ones I had out here were damaged due to very heavy winds tearing the cord apart and breaking some of the glass bulbs. I wanted to get a new style this time around, so now I have the Ollny ST38 lights with the vintage bulbs. They come in a variety of lengths from 30 to 160 feet long. They're shatterproof and waterproof as well. They are connectable with you being able to connect up to 20 sets, and the bulbs come with attached hooks. This style has upgraded heavy duty wires unlike my last set, so these should be able to handle the strong winds we've been getting lately. Now I always use warm lights on the patio for that softer look and that cozy feel. This style has a color temperature of 2200K, which is ideal for an outdoor space. And with these being plug-in lights, I can control when to turn them on and off, and it says that these ones can save you more than 90% of your electricity bill for outdoor lighting compared to the traditional incandescent ones. And this new style is brighter than the solar lights I used to have out here, and the bulbs are also bigger. And here are the lights on at night, and it looks so good. I am loving it. I feel like I could use one more though to just go over the patio space because it's still really dark over there, so I might have to get me another one, but I still love the way it looks. If you're interested in these lights, I'll have the link in the description box. You can find them on Amazon. And if you're looking for lights to use in other spaces, then I recommend you browse their website because they have lights for a variety of occasions: event lights, curtain and rope lights that can change colors, and so much more. So go ahead and check out Ollny for your indoor and outdoor lights, guys. Alright, let's get to decorating in the house, but first I'm going to tackle these kitchen items. I need to clean these bowls and mugs. I'm going to hand wash these bowls with the wooden handles and my canisters and put the rest in the dishwasher.
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's run. Ooh, that's cold.
All I think about and all I know, you were made for me and I was made for you. Tell me how we stop this merry-go.
Now while those dishes are air drying, I'm going to start decorating with some of this decor around the
And I
house.
do when it's all new, swear I'm learning as I go. I'll take the blame, fix my mistakes, but what if I change? Would you stay through the pain while I grow? Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down.
Alright, so that's it for this space. I did share this accent table and that chair in my haul, but it was already in the space. I really didn't have to show me decorating with those items. I did have them in this corner, but I decided to move them over here. I'm looking for a second chair so I can put one in this corner, but I decided to just bring this bench in here just so that it's not so empty right there. But I am not anywhere near done with this space. I just went ahead and put some of those items on the coffee table table, and I do keep my remotes on this table over here. There is so much I want to change in this house. Like, I want to get a new credenza. I need to get something bigger because we have a bigger TV now, and the credenza and the TV being like the same width, it just doesn't look right to me at all. I am just going for a new look in this space, something a bit more elevated. I'm not going to get rid of a lot of the pieces that I'm trying to switch out. I'm just going to move them into a different room. Like, this credenza can go in my office as well as the coffee table. I just get bored with stuff after a while, and I've had these items for so many years now. I just want to switch things up. But this is the family room, decorated with my new finds from Ross.
All I think about and all I know, you were made for me and I was made for you. Tell me how we stop this merry-go. Can we break the cycle, maybe see it through? What can I do when it's all new? Swear I'm learning as I go. I'll take the blame, fix my mistakes.
All right, that's it for the bedroom. I do have a makeover for this space if you want to check that video out. I really didn't do anything different. I did add some mirrors above the nightstand. I found them at Ross. But everything else is pretty much the same. I love these mirrors so much. They're the perfect size for this space, and I really love the frame. I am still looking for a bed frame to put in here, and if you're wondering why I have the bed in front of the window, which is something I wouldn't normally do because I don't like that, it's because it cannot fit on this wall. I wouldn't be able to put my nightstands in here if I put the bed on this wall. But that is all I'm going to do as far as adding new decor in here. I'm going to walk around and show you everything else. It's just the dining room and kitchen. I just put this decor piece on the table with these vases I found at Target. And over here in the kitchen, I just put everything away, all of the dishes, and I filled my canister with stevia in this one. And I have coffee grounds in that one. It's time to refill the croissants. One left. I wanted to use that tray with this soap dispenser, but it's just not gonna work out in the kitchen, so I'll use the tray somewhere else. And I just added another bunny, and then I have the coffee mugs on this shelf, and I just put the bowls away. So have this nice and organized. And I went ahead and filled the pitcher with my utensils, and I went back and added one of those bunnies on the coffee table. But that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.